Hey guys, welcome back to my channel repair.line. So today we are going to see the how to change exhaust of CBR650. This is the all new Akrapovic exhaust system for this bike, and now we are removing both the fairings for exhaust, and you can see the new muffler. We removed both the fairings and indicators. You can see we removed all the fairings. These are the holding screws which we are removed. So now we are removing this belly. You can see we removed the belly. And now both the fairings and belly cover are removed. And we are going to remove this radiator cover, and then we'll remove the radiator. They are you can see there are several screws which we removed, and the on cover. Now we are removing the exhaust pipes bolts. You can see the bolts. We need to remove this. And now we are removing the cover of chain cover and a O2 sensor coupler. These are the main bolt of muffler. There are two bolts both the sides, and we are removing those bolts to remove the muffler, and our all exhaust are removed. This is the fully stock exhaust, and you can see the guys, all the bolts and all the exhausts are removed, and now we are going to place new one, the aftermarket exhaust. This is how CBR650 is looking without fairings. Quite impressive. You can see all the exhaust ports are there, the four cylinders, and this is the O2 sensor we just removed. These are the all new bent pipes of new exhaust. So first we place these bent pipes into the engine, then we'll go for muffler, and these are easily placed. We finally fix this, and now we are going to install muffler. And meanwhile we fix the radiator also. Now we are tightening the bolts. And we need to install spring given by Akrapovic team. And we install the O2 sensor. Now we installing the underbelly cover. And we install filter cover also. You can see guys, we've installed the right fairing, and there are some push pins you need to install. And with all new indicator. And we installing right fairing. And these bike are more decorated I have ever seen. Decently decorated bike. And we are tightening the screws of fairing. 3 screw, any fourth and 5. And this is how indicator are blinking, all new indicators. So we fixed the all new exhaust, and I'll give you the video of exhaust note in next video. So please stay with me, and thank you for watching this video. You will see the next video exhaust note.